JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Flowery Branch. Today, it's about 12:30. It's a repeat customer. We've got 3 areas to clean. Stairs. We're not charging for the hallway because it's short. Anything shorter than 15 feet, we don't charge. There's a couple spots on the in there's a couple P spots right there. Other than that, carpet looks really good. As you can see, it's 1 o'clock, so this job took about 30 minutes. It was actually hairier than I expected. There's some remnants of the hair that came off the stairs. So we knew there was a pet here because of the pee spots in the bedroom, but the hair definitely showed up on the stairs in the bedrooms, mostly on the stairs. Everything came out. Training a new guy, so our trademark one streak vacuum lines don't show. Like I said, there was a couple P spots here and here that came out. We also used some Smell Good to freshen it up, even made it smell nice when it came in. So this was a repeat customer. It was a quick $120 job. As we've said many times, we can help put you in the carpet cleaning floor care business. We used probably a half a gallon of solution cleaner on this job. Maybe a quarter, wasn't much at all. So if you're interested in getting into the floor cleaning business, let us know. 404-500-9853 or on the web at omgfloorcare.com. We're happy to consult, get you in the carpet cleaning business. We do sell our product. It's not soapy, it's not foamy, so there's no sticky residue. As you can see, we do not work out of a big truck mounted vehicle. We use a low moisture process. And always be kind. Thanks for watching. See you next time.